Karan Jetli Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Hamilton Khaki automatic day and date. So guys, for your information, the reference number for this model is h70535061. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you the MRP of this watch is about 390 Omani Riyals. So that is equivalent to about 1000 American dollars. So I got it in an offer. I paid about 175 Omani Riyals for it. That is equivalent to about 455 American dollars. Okay, so guys, now let us open it. Okay, so guys, this is Hamilton Khaki. Okay, field day and date. So let us take it out. So guys, now you can see here is the tag for it, and the MRP it is showing 390 Omani Riyals. So I got it in a very good deal. So let us just open it. Okay, and remove this tag. Okay, so guys, here it is. So guys, this watch, it comes with H3 automatic movement. Okay, so you can see the movement wheel in action. So this movement wheel, it offers about 80 hours of power reserve. So if you can take off the watch, and for the weekend you don't need to wind it or wear it, it will be working on Monday. Okay, so 80 hours is a very decent power reserve. So guys, this is slightly bigger model. The case size of this watch is about 42 mm, and the bandwidth is about 20 mm. Okay, so guys, this watch, it comes with the sapphire crystal, and it is water resistant up to 10 bars, which is equivalent to 100 meters. Means you can use it for swimming, you can use it for diving also. Okay, and if you can see, oh, you can't see, let me move this our hands. You can see the day and the date, so they are at 3 o'clock position. Okay, and this particular model, it comes with this textile camouflage strap. Okay, so, and other thing guys, you can see this watch, it offers both the normal time, and it also offers the 24-hour format military time. Okay, so, and you can see, as I told you, the back is see-through. You can see the mechanical wheels and motion in action. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much in it. So other thing which I feel about this watch is it feels very high quality. Okay, so it is Swiss made, it feels very high quality, and for the price I paid for it, it is really a steal deal. So guys, before I end this video, I will wear it on my hand so that you can have a perspective how it looks. So here it is. So guys, this is Hamilton Khaki automatic day and date. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much for today. Soon we'll be doing a detailed review of this watch. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, watch reviews, and all kind of stuff. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.